Welcome to First Gen Diesel. It's First Gen Friday. One thing I do want to do on Gala here is fix the wing window. Everybody wants to know how to do that. It's pretty simple. So first thing you want to do is pull this little pin out, and I used a little bitty Allen screw and a hammer to do so. Then you just pop that sucker right off, and don't lose the little spring that's on the inside. Set that aside. Then what you want to do is just simply tighten up this Phillips head screw. But in my case, I have worn out gaskets that are causing it to be loose. So I am going to try to put thicker gaskets in there. I should have rolled this one to death. So you can see here, there's all kinds of gaskets here. I've got some rubber gaskets that I got from Home Depot that I'm going to try to make work on here. Okay, so I kind of elongated the hole, the oval, so that it will fit on the outside of the window. This little spring. Voila, that is tight. That's super tight. So guys, all I did was go get a little rubber gasket. I kind of ovaled out the inside to match the shape of whatever this thing is right here, and made sure it was on the outside because you want it to be tight on the inside. Took all the slack out, and that sucker is super tight on there now. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this how to fix your wing window video, and we'll see you next week right here on First Gen Diesel.